Hey, good morning everyone. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying your holidays too. This is Poonam Avasthi, your SST teacher. I hope beta that you all have checked school site, and if you have checked, you may have seen that project and holiday homework. It is uploaded. As I am getting doubts in the comment box that children are confused between project and holiday homework. So today we are going to discuss in brief about project and holiday homework. If you have not yet checked, go to home tutorial. There you will be finding in week 3 about the holiday homework, and project work is at the home page. So you need to go to the home page. A specific icon you will get beta about project work. Click there and you will be finding your project work there. Clear? And after that, your doubt was there in subsidiary alliance topic from lesson number 2, the expansion of British Empire history, that we are going to discuss. So we will discuss two things today. One about holiday homework and project, and after that we will discuss about subsidiary alliance topic in detail. Fine? So here we go. First of all, beta, project work and holiday homework is not to over stress you. So enjoy doing the work which is assigned to you. Project work is basically your research and your views about the topic. So make sure your project should represent you. Make it more organized and logical. Okay? And to help you in this, 5 different topics are given to you. Out of these 5 topics, you can choose, you are free to choose any one topic. Okay? So you need to follow the instructions which are provided to you, and as per the instructions you need to work in the project. And topics you already know. You can go to the website and check that 5 topics are given to you. In this, Constitution defining India is the first topic. Under this you need to add your own constitution also for your classroom. The next is disaster and bravery. In this you need to explain that presence of mind and not losing your cool during disaster is very important attributes. So on this you need to make, and disaster and bravery. So in this you are going to add any real life incident of children, those who have saved or helped to save lives at the time of disaster. And then you need to add rules and responsibilities which in your opinion we should follow in the situation of disaster. And when you will see the next topic, it is about population, a boon or curse. So in that you are going to write boon or bane both. So how do you think the population facts of India, all that you are going to add. After that, if you will see, you need to make a timeline of 2020, as we are watching that many iconic events we have seen. Areas also are mentioned over there, like political, economical, social and cultural. So you can choose any one area and you can write upon that. You can make timeline, and your timeline must include meaning of history also. You can correlate with lesson 1 of history, importance of making this timeline, and then after that prepare the timeline, mention the resources which you have used. Okay, and follow the instructions which are given. And the last topic is your traditional form of Indian greetings, that is Namaste. You need to write down about this traditional form and its significance, and you need to write down the other forms of greetings also without physical contact, and you need to signify it with the current COVID situation. Clear? Understood everybody? So this is about the project. 5 topics are there. Out of these 5 topics you are going to choose one and you will prepare the project. Your sheets must not go beyond 15. So starting from the introduction and till bibliography, it should be 15 sheets, not more than this. Clear? The next is holiday homework. So on A4 size sheet, you need to make the holiday homework. In this, one poster is there. You need to make a beautiful poster on the given topics which are given to you. Soil, water and land. Conservation, natural resources is your topic. So you can choose anyone and you need to make a poster, beautiful poster. And the next on A4 size sheet, you are going to make a vision board. What is vision board? Vision board means your dream board. Okay, so add your dreams, desires, add images, pictures and phrases. Make a collage of your dreams and make it on A4 size sheet. And I wish all my students will surely get all of their desires which they are dreaming for. I hope now project and holiday homework is more clear to you. Still after this, if you find any difficulty, any doubt, you are free to write to me in the comment box. I will reply over there. Fine. Now let's begin today's revision topic, that is subsidiary alliance from lesson 2 history, the expansion of British Empire. Subsidiary alliance. Beta, subsidiary alliance was a system which was started by Lord Wellesley to completely control Indian powers without spending money on fighting wars. Okay, and according to this system, any Indian ruler who enter into this alliance, in this partnership with the English, then the English would take all the responsibility of protecting the ruler. But there are certain terms and conditions which Indian rulers had to follow if they are entering in this alliance. So Indian rulers would not keep their own army. This was the first condition. So for the protection of Indian ruler, what Britishers will do? British troops would be permanently placed in the Indian ruler area. Okay, and the ruler had to pay for the maintenance of the troops. Indian rulers could not in any situation form an alliance with any other power without the permission of English. It means without the permission of Britishers, Indian rulers were not allowed to frame any kind of alliance or to announce any kind of war with anybody. They need to seek permission from the Britishers. After that, when this alliance started, so there were several effects of the subsidiary alliance. So there was an advantage for the English, for the British people, and there was disadvantage for Indian rulers. So what are those things? Advantages were Britishers maintained large armies at the expenses of Indian rulers, and as well they have got valuable territories also, ultimately which led to the expansion of British Empire in India and increase in the resources also. The Britishers, after this policy, they were able to control the foreign policy of these subsidiary states. And yes, of course, there were many disadvantages for Indian rulers. Like the rulers of subsidiary states, they lost their independence because now they are in the hands of Britishers. So whatever Britishers will say, they are supposed to follow it. So their independence now is lost. And high cost of expenses. Because of this, Indian treasury was drained. Administration was collapsed. The English used this as an excuse also to annex the kingdom on grounds of mismanagement. Like we have studied example of Awadh. They said that Indian rulers are not able to govern, to manage their own states because administration collapsed. Money was not in the hands of Indian rulers and all the decisions were taken by English people. Because of this, they have also got an excuse to control, to annex the kingdom on this ground, mismanagement ground. Because of all this, the rulers also lost interest in the welfare of the people. Clear? So what we have done, subsidiary alliance, what is subsidiary alliance and terms and conditions. After that, what are the advantages for the English people and what were the disadvantages for the Indian rulers. This was all about subsidiary alliance. This is it for today. After this also, if you have any doubt regarding the concepts, if you study the past chapters and you find any difficulty, you are free to write to me in the comment box. And best of luck for your project and holiday homework. Come out with so much creative and logical content. Follow the instructions which are provided and always remember that Ma'am is available in the comment box. So whenever you feel any difficulty, write to me there. I will wait for you all. Thank you so much. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep learning.